Is Rosebay Willowherb. How do I eat it? Rosebay Willowherb, or Chamaenerion angustifolium, is a very common plant. It's found absolutely everywhere. It's found in hedgerows, it's found by the side of the road, and even here in this piece of woodland. How do I identify it? Well, it's a pretty common plant. It's found pretty much everywhere, but it's really easy to ID. It's available from spring, but as a small rosette of leaves. What do the leaves look like? Herb by name, willow herb by nature. They are willow-shaped leaves. They are long ovals that are pointed, but unlike willow, they are not serrated. For about June, it grows this bit, the long stem and the flower heads. This is the time to pick it, and what we're going to do with it is we're going to make tea. Rosebay willowherb, or fireweed, as it's also known, has a long history of being used by tea, mainly in Russia. The name for the tea is Kaporie, and that's the name of the village just west of St. Petersburg, where it was mass produced. Really easy to make. All you need to do is pick your rosebay willowherb, but you don't need to cut it down, you just need to pull the leaves off the stem. What you do is you roll them up into little balls, like this. To do when we're rolling the leaves up is to allow oxidization to happen and allow it to happen to the whole plant. This, we stick it in a jar and we can leave it for 2 to 3 days, maybe even longer. But what we're looking for is we're looking for the smell to change from cut grass, quite an astringent, nasty smell, to a lovely honey, flowers and dried fruit smell. I think it smells like dried cherries. After that, we're going to dry it, and I tend to dry it in the oven. It takes an hour or so, and as it's drying, I like to take out and break it into smaller bits so that it dries more thoroughly. But once it's completely bone dry and you can't feel any moisture, it's ready to use. And what does it taste like? Well, it tastes like black tea. Notice I called it fireweed as well. It's another name for this plant, and that's because this plant loves burnt ground. And after the Mount St. Helens eruption, most of the plants that grew back first were Rosebay willowherb. For uses for Rosebay willowherb and for other great wild teas, head to totallyWildUK.co.uk and join us on one of our fantastic courses. Cheers!